Welcome back to the channel. Today we start a bullet run series. This here is an old lawnmower. Actually, it wasn't that old. I ran over something. As a matter of fact, it was right here. This thing here that I ran over. I got to dig this out of the ground before I run over it with my new one. What happened was the shaft on the blade on this bent, and then I couldn't start it. And pulling on it, this was about as far as you could get it. Maybe a little bit further if you really yanked, but basically it just won't turn enough so you could get it started because the shaft's bent. So today we're going to see if we can get this running, because what I want to do is clear out this part of my yard over here. I kind of let this go a long time ago for privacy reasons. I'll show you all that another time, but I got all this all cut out. It was all thorns and brush and that viney, what is it called? It's a weed that just grows up, chokes the trees out. But I got it all cut out, and what I want to do is use the old lawnmower, if I can, as a brush hog. That came off pretty easy, and that's what I was afraid of. I was kind of hoping this would come off. All right, looks like we're back to plan B, because I don't think that comes off unless that does. Not gonna help it to come out. I'm certain of that. Oh, it does. Son of a bitch. All right, well, we got that out. But boy, you can really see that bent now. I'm thinking a sledgehammer is going to end up doing it, because I don't think I'm going to get this on there. See how I'm gonna get that on there. Sledgehammer, pipe, I don't know. Well, I got a sledgehammer coming. All right, so my buddy Wilson showed up, and I was originally trying it with this pipe bender here, seeing if we could get that to come up, and there was no way I can get this one in, too much of an angle. Then I had this old fence post that I put on. This might be an option still, but he came up with his pipe bender, and his is a little different. I'm thinking if we could somehow hold the lawnmower in position without it bending or pulling down, we might be able to pull on this. I don't know. We're going to give this a shot. This is our plan. We're going to try using the tree to hold the lawnmower in place. Don't try this at home. Basically what I'm saying is, I really don't know what I'm doing. And, all right, careful of that front. I think it might want to come out on you. Keep your leg out of the way. I'm just kidding. Do whatever you got to do. These are plastic wheels. Yeah, if you go that far in, I can't get the pipe on it. You get it like that, or no? No, that's not going to work. That might do it. Let's see. Let me just see if I can even get that to bend then. See if you can let that go against the tree so the steel.
I got a block. I can go grab.
All right, let's pull that out a second. I want to see if, I don't think we moved it, but let's lean it right there. I don't think that moved. Maybe it did. She's still a little tight right there. Yep. Okay. Now we didn't move any at all. All right. I got a feeling we may have to try the sledgehammer. I wonder if that might do it. I don't know. I wonder if we can put a 2x4 or something in there. Hold on, I'll be right back. That block, I think, is just going to be in the way. What about taking the pry bar, putting it through the through here? Get some leverage to hold it in place there. There you go. I don't think you're going to need that block. That block's just going to get in our way.
It tries to get to the tree. I just.
Let's see what happens now. I got a feeling we're going to have to just go over to the sledgehammer, but let's see. Here we go. Yeah, the whole bottom's still moving out. All right, no. I'm gonna kill you if I keep pushing. All right. Let me see if we even moved that. I doubt we moved it. Nope. We didn't move it at all. Hold on a second. Yep. Let me just see if it made any progress at all. I don't know. I don't think it moved, but it did feel like it was moving. You know, the pipe's bending.
That pipe ain't bending. Sorry.
That's all right. I didn't need that cheek. I got another one.
That's a little longer, but if that one might bend, it's longer.
Well, before we do, I just want to see if that has moved at all. If it moved at all, I should be able to at least feel that it's not as tight. I don't think it moved. It does feel like it's moving better than it was, though.
We'll hold it back as much as I can. What else can I say? Hold on. Yeah. I push this like that. All right.
I don't know. Let me see if that moved at all. I don't think it moved at all.
Good heat, but that's stainless steel. I don't think it's gonna. You'd have to get that really hot.
Yeah, I don't even think us prying on it's gonna work either.
Well, I'd put a pipe. You want to put a pipe on it? Put that pipe on it, and then whack it with the sledgehammer. Maybe, I don't know, short of that.
I don't know. If we had a little more height this one up, I'm thinking.
Why don't we just put it on its back?
And try it.
Let me put this here. All right. Oh, did I hit you?
Almost. That might have moved a little. Bring it more on its back.
That might hold.
Because I don't have, well, I don't, as soon as I start pushing,
Let me get in.
I'm gonna be hitting the ground. There, yeah.
Hold on, let me get this. Give it a try. Jumping around a little.
She's not as stiff as it was, but I mean, if we can get it so that it's a little looser, so you can pull on the cord, we might be able to get it started.
How often?
Huh?
Whack that. Sledgehammer.
I'm not gonna be able to hit that pipe though, without it being held.
Well, I'm just trying to protect it, the groove and shit. Well, where you go? No, let's see.
If I hit over here, it's gonna come right off.
I'm not sure. Do you know where up and down is? Where you want?
Yeah, I want to go down that way.
You watch my eyes. But
Yeah, that pipe's gonna fall right off the first time I
I'm
hit
just
it.
trying to protect that thing.
All your fingers still there?
Yeah.
Did I hit them?
Nothing that hurts.
Ready? You can pull on the cord. What happens when you pull on the cord? Yeah, but it will stop. Let's try it anyway. Set it down on its thing. If I can get one whole pull through. Well, that's better than it was. That's better than it was. I'm wondering now if we clean up the spark plug, if we get some compression and spark in there, if maybe we'll get the get it to fire over. This thing was lying on its side. I just want to check the oil, make sure we got some oil in there. Well, there's a little bit on there. Probably could use some more. I'm just going to pretend I didn't see that. That should be just fine, I think. And what we want to do is clean up this spark plug. It's all rusted. I left that top off. Oh, you're going to make me do it. The hell did I hire you for?
You didn't hire me.
Yeah, I did. I even gave you a raise. Oh. The gas tank, I know, is empty. See if we can even get this to fire off on some ether. Just put a little bit in there, huh? Yeah, that's too much. Down on that. Let's just see if she even fires over. Oh, Russian. All right, that's good for now. We got it to turn anyway. That's a good sign.
You're killing me here.
All right. God! I think you should try it again just to make sure.
No. Done with that. You gotta
All
turn.
right, so we know we got spark.
Well, we got electricity. I didn't see a spark, so I switched the plug out because I didn't see the. But you definitely getting juice. But I didn't see the spark.
Ah, nonsense.
I felt the spark, but I didn't see the spark.
Well, we got a lot of sunlight here.
Yeah, that's what I got. I think you just started I think you fixed my AFib right there. Thanks.
Maybe a little down the cylinder. What do you think?
Yeah,
No?
yeah, why not? You want me to tilt it back for you?
I'm not gonna put too much in.
I got half a
That's
mind
too
to pull
much.
that cord right now while you were doing that.
It's not gonna do anything to me.
I don't know. There's juice come out and hit that gas. I think you should grab the spark plug out of something else.
I don't.
I know you don't.
It was running before all of this happened.
When was that? 5 years ago?
Well, I don't know. Could have been 3.
Could have been 10.
No, it wasn't 10.
All right, well,
The fact that we got it to spin is a good sign. Now we just gotta figure out if we can get it to start.
to get this to start, let's work on that bike.
That's not happening.
Why? It's sitting there waiting for you. Begging you.
Why did I bring you over here? You're not doing anything. Ooh, that fired. Did that fire? Sounded like it.
Sounds good to me. No, that didn't fire at all.
She's a runner. All we gotta do is get a little bit of gas in it.
Yeah,
Sounds like it's gonna run bad though.
I think it'll be perfect. It'll give that new age cut to your lawn, in and out.
Yeah.
Hey, it's you can pull it and it's moving. You're.
I think I'm out of. Well, spraying it down there did help. I'm hoping maybe the
I would pull the.
carburetor isn't clogged.
Well, if you can pull the.
That fired right over the first pull.
If you could pull that bowl off, because otherwise it's going to suck any varnish right up and plug those.
There shouldn't be any in it though. The
All right,
the gas
if you-
tank was empty.
Okay, I'm just throwing an idea out there.
And there really shouldn't be any
All
in
right,
there.
then just let's fill it.
Well, I'm not gonna fill it.
Well,
That would cost me at least, what, $2.50?
I got gas in the back of my truck. Put mine in. I don't care.
Yeah, see the tank's bone dry. Could be a bad carburetor, but it was running before. Yeah, that should be it. You know, you're on your phone more than you're working here.
I think I'm not getting paid.
I told you,
These
I
people
doubled your
pay me.
salary.
Yeah, I know. Thanks.
All right.
It usually plugs up over the weekend, but then sometimes it unplugs itself without me even having to try.
You gotta be careful. The last time I did this on this thing, I had a fire. Running around, idle's way down, but it's running.
It'll clear itself out if it keeps going.
What? She runs.
There you go.
I don't know if she's gonna run good enough to go, you know, to act as a brush hog, but
If you can start it and you can get a blade on there, the worst you're gonna do is cut little grooves in the end. Put it up high. Friggin' I took the hit
Now it's
twice. I doubt that cleaning the linkage up helped at all, but sure these just snap on. There, I got one. There we go. It's not like I really need the thing to look good anyway, but come on. Push this. Huh? Push toward the back. Oh, never mind. All right. Let's see. You don't.
No?
Nope.
How do you know?
The way you're taking it off right now.
Huh?
I know you don't want to do it.
Why?
Because when something goes wrong, you're going to be saying, I shouldn't have taken it off.
Well, it's going to be your fault.
Of course it is.
So why would it be mine?
I know. That's why you brought me over here. I get it.
I need somebody to blame.
I was trying to, you know, stop you from yelling at me because of my stupidity of you taking it off. Lube everything up.
I'm gonna. Just the oil's over there, though.
Yeah, well, you know, that was bad planning on your part. You hold the can straight up and you move the wand any way you want. Oh, it's hard to teach anybody.
What's your problem?
Nothing. I don't care. I'm not going to say it.
Alright, well. I'm gonna put that cover back on. Alright, let's see what happens. Told you it'd be alright to take the top off.
Well, I had my doubts. Am I still supposed to be holding this thing?
No. But it wasn't running anyway, so I think you might have flooded it now. Bring the thunder! don't know.
Perfect.
Good enough for the chicks we date. And he leaves now that I'm going to start recording again. You dumbass. Why didn't you finish putting this together?
Because you don't pay me enough.
I told you I'm all right, I'm going to triple the salary now.
Yeah, well, when it starts at 0, it's really easy to...
I don't know what your problem is. You know, you went from 0 and I've tripled it.
I don't even get any perks.
This isn't even the first time I've done this. I keep tripling your salary and doubling it, and you're never happy. You're as bad as some of these, you know, younger generation kids.
If you start me at a penny, I'd be making some big money now.
That's not going to happen.
I know.
Oh, I wonder which way this goes on.
The right way. All the crusty stuff usually stays on the top, so I'd put that on the top part.
You think?
I'm just saying.
Let me see. I don't know. You might be right. It looks to me like that might want to go this way instead, huh?
Well,
it looks, I mean, yeah, that actually lines up better. I knew there was a reason I brought you here.
I showed up on my own, of course.
You are aware that if this starts rumbling even worse, because
I'm going to get blamed.
It's going to be your fault.
It always is.
All right.
The fact that it actually started wasn't my fault at all, though.
I'm the one that pulled the cord.
Yeah, how about that, huh?
But let's just see if we even have drive without the shear pins in there.
Yeah, you broke it.
It's harder to pull now because of the
blade?
No, the belt for the drive.
Oh.
Hold on. We'll give it a little.
You don't really need that, do you?
Yeah, I do. You got a blade under there, so don't go down too far.
You ain't doing shit. It ain't even kicking.
What did you do to it?
I knew it'd be my fault. Maybe put the blade on backwards.
That's got nothing to do with it.
Wow.
No, I think the blade's
too heavy?
Too heavy for it. And, you know, and it's not the blade so much. I think it's the drive belt.
Well, you can get by without the drive belt. Take it off. Or cut it off.
I don't want to have to push this.
You are lazy. You're going to have to push it if it doesn't start. How much gas did you put in it?
There's plenty of gas in there. I'm not that stupid.
Well, when I tipped it to the side, maybe it all came out.
Well, that's probably what happened. All your fault.
It always is.
I blame my wife, but she's not here.
Too cheap to put a little more gas in it?
It's got gas.
Yeah, sure it does.
All right.
Well, by tipping it on its side, I might have dropped some oil onto the spark plug. So.
There shouldn't be any oil in there.
Well, there should be oil in there.
No, there shouldn't be any oil going to the spark plug. It's not a two-stroke.
Well, if you tilt it the wrong way, it may end up getting the spark plug.
If that is the case, then this engine is no good. You should not have oil getting into the cylinder, unless it's a two-stroke.
Oil on the spark plug? No gas on the spark plug?
Oh, a little bit of gas. I don't know if it's flooded. It might have flooded when we had it on its side. I don't know. I'm not a small engine repair guy.
I don't know, should I pull the cord now?
No. Oh, sure, you want the honors.
I might pull it, it won't start.
Ooh, that's that.
Don't run over my dog.
Well, that didn't last too long, but... Ooh, that didn't sound good. That doesn't sound good. Did you hear that? Did you hear that thump?
I heard a thump. Tighten that bolt in enough?
I don't know. I mean, it could... I don't know.
Very temperamental.
All right. Not sure. She seems like she has no compression now. This video is not over yet. This lawnmower might be, but the upside is so far this video is a success. We did manage to actually get this thing running one last time. You saw it. But like I said, I think we lost the compression in there. I had it on its side. A bunch of the oil might have went. There wasn't much oil in there to begin with. I really didn't expect this thing would last more than one whole time just doing what I was going to do. But we got another plan. Plan B. See ya.